How to convert Word file to JPEG. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Word. Then, select the file you want to convert to JPEG. Simply select all the text and copy it. After that, you'll find Paste option on top left. Click on Paste Special. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Picture and then press on OK. Again, select all the text. After selecting all text, simply right-click on it. Then you'll find Save as Picture option. Select your file name and then Save as Type, JPEG file type. And you're good to go. That's how you convert Word file to JPEG. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.